Hey everybody, Bink here from Liberty is Fun. Couple things today. This is my first video on Liberty AF on YouTube, and I'll have more coming as they go along. I do a bunch of different projects, and I'll bring them to you. I'll try to post like one video a week, maybe more starting out because I got a bunch of projects going on. But today I'm going to do two things. One, seasoning a new Blackstone Griddle 36-inch. It's brand new. It hasn't had nothing on it yet. I got it heating up, but I'm going to get it seasoned. I'm going to do 3 or 4 coats of canola oil. I got it off one of the YouTube videos. There's thousands of them out there, but I'll put credits in the description below for the guy I watched last night. And I'll try to do 3 or 4 good coats of it and break it in. And then I'm going to do my first cook on it. I'm going to do some smash burgers with different cheeses and buttered buns and bacon on this thing tonight, first use. So I'm going to pause right now and get all my stuff together and get to putting some wires on here. I don't want to bore you all with all that, and I'll get back with you in a few minutes. Thanks. Hey, sorry to get back with you a little bit sooner. So I went through the process. I put a coat on, let it burn until there was no smoke left. Put another coat on, let it burn until no smoke left, and another coat. Then I've thrown some jalapenos on here, some onions, and some few patties to get started on. I already went ahead and cooked the bacon and lost track because I've been having so much fun. So we just used a large ice cream scoop for the patties to try to keep them all the same size and good for the burgers. I do know one thing about this thing. It is hot. I will have to get a glove and learn all the temperatures on this. It will get hot fast. I'm going to go ahead and take a quick break and get back with you in a few minutes.